So you're either running ads, watching your money disappear, or you're posting content every single day just hoping that algorithm decides to be nice to you. And neither of those feels like a real growth strategy. It feels like a part-time job you didn't sign up for. But what if instead you had a bunch of people out there promoting your store for you and you only paid them when they actually got you a sale? That's the whole model. And today I'm gonna show you exactly how to build this for your Shopify store. So here's what I'm going to cover. I'll show you how to figure out what to pay your influencers before you even touch any app, how to get the whole thing set up inside UpPromote, how to make sure you're not getting scammed by your own affiliates, because unfortunately that's a thing, and how to actually find your first influencers without cold DMing a whole bunch of strangers. Most people who follow this can see their first affiliate sale within a couple of weeks, so let's not waste any more time. Now, here's something most people completely skip, and it kills their program before it even starts. They install the app first, they set up the links, the portal, the whole thing. And then they get to the commission field and they basically just guess. They type in 10% and move on. That guess is either going to make you lose money or make your program so unattractive that no influencer actually wants to join. So before you touch UpPromote, before you even open the Shopify app store, you need to figure out what you can actually afford to pay. So here's the formula, and it's actually very simple. Take your net profit margin per product, then pay influencers 30 to 50% of that profit. So let's just say your product sells for 50 bucks. It costs you $20 to make. That leaves you $30 in profit. 30 to 50% of that is roughly $9 to $15 per sale, which works out to somewhere between 18 to 30% of the total sale price. Now, this might seem a little high and probably uncomfortable, but I want you to think about it like this. You're not paying for ads and you're not paying for impressions. You're only paying when someone actually buys something. Plus, when influencers feel like the commission is worth their time, they actually promote you. So here are some quick stats if you're having trouble deciding what your percentage should be. So for physical products, 10 to 20% is the standard. Beauty and wellness brands usually go anywhere between 15 to 25%. Fashion brands sit around 12 to 20%. Electronics is a little bit lower. That's typically 5 to 12% because their margins are typically tighter. If you still have no idea what to do, pick something in the middle of your range for now. You're not locked in forever. After a couple of months, you'll have real data and you can just adjust. Now let's go build the thing. If you install the app using my affiliate link in the description or first pinned comment, you'll get 20% off for your first 3 months. When you first land in the dashboard, it's gonna feel like a lot is going on. Don't start clicking around randomly. There are 5 things that you wanna fill out first, and some of these will automatically be filled out by default. Step 1, you wanna add your store name and logo. That's what influencers see when they log into their portal. First impressions matter even for your affiliate. Step 2, set your currency to match your Shopify stores exactly. If there's a mismatch, your commission calculations will be off and you won't even know it. Step 3 is set your time zone. Now, this may seem minor, but it's not. Your reports will show sales at the wrong time and your data will be completely off. Step 4, configure your notification emails. You want alerts when someone joins or makes a sale, and influencers should get a welcome message the moment they sign up. It sets a professional tone right away. Step 5, you want to add your terms and conditions. This is your influencer agreement. It doesn't have to be a legal document. Just a short paragraph covering commission sales, payment schedule, etc. Now, let's set up how you actually pay people. So inside UpPromote, go to your program section. This is where you set the actual rules of your program. Start with your base commission rate. If you did the math from step 1, all you have to do is plug in that number. Also, you want to choose a percentage-based commission, not a fixed dollar amount. And so here's why. If someone buys 3 items at once, a fixed dollar commission stays flat. A percentage scales with the order. You make more, they make more. Everybody wins. Now for cookie duration. You want to set this for 30 days. Here's what a cookie actually does. So when someone clicks an influencer link, it saves a little timestamp on their browser. If that person comes back, let's just say 3 weeks later and buys, the influencer still gets credit. 30 days is honestly the industry standard, so don't go shorter or you'll lose influencers' trust really fast. Now, the next thing you want to do is exclude any low margin products from commission. If you're barely even breaking even on a product, don't put it in the program. You don't have to pay commission on every single thing that you sell. And the last thing you want to do is set a holding period of at least 30 to 60 days. This means commission doesn't get paid out until after your refund window closes. So if someone returns an order, you're not chasing money you already sent out. These 4 settings are what separate a program that works from one that bleeds money quietly in the background. Now, another great thing about UpPromote is that it automatically updates a unique tracking link for every single influencer. So when someone clicks it and buys, the sale gets attributed to them. That part's pretty much automatic. You don't have to do anything, but here's what most people completely overlook. You also need to give each influencer a custom discount code. Now, the reason for this is relatively simple. Unfortunately, links don't work everywhere. TikTok doesn't let you put clickable links in captions. If you're listening to podcasts, obviously you can't use a link there. So when an influencer says, use my code Sarah15 for 15% off, they need that code to actually exist and be tied to their account. Otherwise, you get sales you can't attribute to anyone and influencers lose trust in your tracking. So every good influencer marketing program uses both. They have a link and a code. UpPromote handles this automatically, even on the free plan. It's a quick 30-second setup that makes your program more trackable and more attractive to influencers. Now, at this point, you need somewhere for influencers to actually apply for your program. Inside UpPromote, all you have to do is go to settings, then registration page, and you'll see a drag and drop editor that doesn't require any coding. All you have to do is add your logo, match your brand colors, and make it look like it actually belongs to your Shopify store. But here's the one thing you definitely don't want to get wrong. Your sign up page needs to answer 3 questions in about 5 seconds. I know this sounds crazy. Influencers need to know how much do they earn, how does it work, and how do they apply. That's it. Everything on that page should answer one of those 3 questions. So you want to display your commission rate very prominently. Do not play hide and seek with it. Add a short how it works section, 3 steps maximum. Keep the application form simple: name, email, social handles, rough audience size. That's all you really need to vet someone at this stage. Once the page is live, put the link in 4 places: your website footer, your Instagram bio, your TikTok bio, and your post-purchase email. And the last one is honestly the most underrated way to get people into your affiliate program. Basically, someone just bought from you, they love the product enough to give you their money. That is the perfect moment to say, hey, want to earn every time you recommend us? Your existing customers will outperform cold recruited influencers almost every single time. Now, 2 more things before you go live, and you don't want to skip either of them. So let's talk about payments first. Most Shopify stores use PayPal for affiliate payouts. It's the easiest to set up and the most familiar for influencers. So what you want to do is go to settings, connect your PayPal account, and set a minimum payout threshold for $25 to $50. You want to do this because paying out $2 every time someone earns a small commission creates transaction fees, and they can add up pretty fast. And a threshold just keeps your payouts clean. Now for fraud protection. And I want to spend a second on this because it's more common than you think. So you want to enable 4 things within UpPromote. The first is self-referral blocking. This stops an influencer from just buying through their own link to generate fake commissions. The second is anti-coupon leak protection. This just prevents your codes from showing up on deal sites like Honey or Retail Me Not, where random people use them and you get 0 promotional value. The third is IP duplicate detection. This just flags when the same device or network is generating multiple sales. And the last one is just your holding period, which you already set up, so you're covered there. Now, here's the good news. UpPromote includes all 4 of these on the free plan, so you don't need to upgrade for fraud protection. It automatically flags suspicious activity before it becomes your problem. Now, at this point, your program is pretty much ready. The commissions is set, your tracking is on, the page is live. Now, all you have to do is get people into your program. And I want to be clear about something. Don't wait for them to find you. That approach takes months. So here's what actually works. Start with your own customers. Pull a list of your top 30 to 50 buyers, people who've ordered more than once, and email them personally. You can say something like what I have on the screen right now. Customers turn influencers convert at roughly twice the rate of cold recruited ones. They already believe in the product. That authenticity really shows up in how they talk about your product and brand. The second thing you want to do is go through your own followers. Scroll through your Instagram and TikTok. Look for people who tagged your product, posted in your niche, or just look like your ideal customer, and send them a DM. But make it personal. Reference something specific about their content. Copy and paste pitch will automatically get ignored. So you want to say something that says, I actually looked at your page, and you will probably get a response. The third thing that you want to do is list your program on the UpPromote marketplace. It's built right into the app. Creators actively browse it looking for affiliate programs to join. You'll get passive applications without doing anything. It's not your main strategy, but it's free and it runs in the background. And the fourth strategy you should use is niche bloggers. You can find 5 to 10 bloggers who write about your product category. Send them a short, direct, cold email, not a whole pitch deck. Just here's what we sell, here's what we pay, here's a link to apply. 1 or 2 good blogger partnerships can drive consistent search traffic for months because their posts don't disappear the same way social media content does. We have now made it to the last step, and I know it feels tedious, but do not skip it. Before you invite a single influencer, you want to test everything yourself. Create a test affiliate account using a personal email, not your business email. Generate the affiliate link and coupon code from that account. Place a real test order through the affiliate link. Go into your UpPromote dashboard and confirm the sale showed up. Check that the commission calculated correctly. Then do the whole thing again using the coupon code. If everything works, you go live, go invite people. If something is broken, you want to find it out now, not after 50 influencers are signed up, generating sales and wondering why none of their commissions are tracking. That's a trust problem that's very hard to undo. 10 minutes of testing saves you from hours of wasted time and a massive headache. And that's it. That's a full influencer program on Shopify built with UpPromote, set up the right way. If you got value out of this video, make sure that you hit the like button. And if you have any questions at all, make sure that you comment them down below. I try to answer every single comment that I get. And so thank you for watching. Until next time, be easy.